A squared minus B squared would be either A plus B, that quantity, times the quantity A minus B, or the quantity A minus B times quantity A plus B. Let's see how this looks like in real life. You'll probably encounter something like this pretty soon in math. X squared, say, minus 25. Now, whenever I see a 25 in math at the algebra level or above, I'm always suspicious. I'm like, they don't really mean 25. They mean x squared minus 5 squared. So it's like, oh, yeah, tricky. So every time I see an A, I'm going to substitute my x. Every time I see a B, I'm going to substitute my 5. Okay, so let's see how this actually works out. Plugging it into the formula as is, that would be A plus B. Instead of, say, A plus B, it's going to be x plus 5. And then instead of A minus B, it's going to be x minus 5. Now, let me just annotate this as well, just so you see, like, okay, I had the x instead of A, and then instead of B, I'm going to put 5. B, I put 5. Now, you might also see it as this last version when underlined here in red, the A minus B times A plus B. Look, either way is cool. Like, we'll call it version 1 is fine or version 2 is fine. Whichever one suits your fancy should be good. You're going to be using this a lot in rational expressions when you want to, like, cancel stuff top and bottom. But you'll see it a lot anyway when teachers are like, show me the factored form of x squared minus 25. So if you see numbers like x squared minus, like, say, 36, it's like, oh, it's really 6 squared. X squared minus 100, oh, that's 10 squared. X squared minus 81, oh, that's really 9 squared. You just start thinking that way when you get to this level of math. Okay, good luck, guys. And obviously, it's math, so it can get far more complicated. Follow the basics. You should be good to go.